The Senate passes budget with $5,500 cash payments. Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys are having a great day today. Welcome to our show where we will discuss what is happening in our country. When it comes to money that's going out, we have the most up-to-date news on stimulus checks. We will give you all the information that is available and most current. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the news. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. We have so much to get into. Let's dive in. Gas prices, gas prices, gas prices. What are these companies doing charging so much for gas? Well, the Democrats are finally doing something about it. The House Democrats to pass gas price gouging bill. Other relief options are on the table. House Democrats will move next week to pass legislation that would broaden the Federal Trade Commission powers and force the Independent Consumer Protection Agency to probe with the oil industry how it's ripping off Americans at the pump. It's about time that they're finally doing something to listen to what American people are saying, hey, it's costing me way too much to put gas and it shouldn't be like that. The endeavor underscores that increased pressure from voters reeling from record high gas prices and rank and file members who want to show constituents that they are taking action. Obviously, our people are worried about inflation. The American people are being greatly stressed by this inflation. And isn't that the truth? My goodness. Let us know down in the descriptions how you feel about these crazy inflation prices, how you feel about gas just being sky high, and should it be? Listen, what state do you live in? What's the highest gas price out there from viewers on this channel? Let us know. Right now we're in Tennessee. I'm in Tennessee and our gas prices are averaging around $3.50. So let us know from your state how much gas is. You know, those electric cars are starting to look a lot more better now, considering the fact that if gas keeps going like it is, I might be going electric. Let us know if you would go to an electric vehicle. So one state has passed $5,500 cash payments. Man, wouldn't we wish they all did that? The Senate passes budget with $5,500 cash payments to Alaskans that could drain the state savings. They're literally saying, you know what? We've had all this money sitting in our savings account. It's not been doing anything and it ain't been doing anybody any good. So why not let's drain it and let's get people the help that they need. So the Alaska Senate Tuesday approved a budget that would require the state to dip into the savings to cover $5,500 cash payments to Alaskans, even as the state faces a revenue windfall due to high oil prices. The balloon Senate budget includes a full permanent fund dividend and its supplemental checks meant to cover higher energy costs. Supporters of those payments include a mix of Democrats and Republicans. See, isn't it amazing what can happen when we all work together? They all voted in favor of this whole $5,500 cash check being sent out despite the possible ramifications draining the state's savings funds, leaving no financial cushion if oil prices plummet, and scraping a plan to direct state funds to education costs for the next fiscal year. Look, I know that states need to have a budget and to make sure that they have money for a rainy day, but you can't have people suffering. You guys know, I know that when it comes to inflation, we have no control over that, but we shouldn't be punished because we're trying just to make it. We're trying to make a living. We're trying to have a good life, and yet it's becoming harder and harder each and every day. So I got to give it up to them that they've done something for their people, but I just wish that every state would do something like this to help their residents out. You know, I'm really glad they did this. It's gonna help millions of people in need, and you know, we just need every other state to do the same thing, right? Let us know in the comments if you think that every state should give $5,500 checks out to the residents, a one-time payment of $5,500. Alright guys, I hope that information helped. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to jump in on the gift card giveaway. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. Tomorrow, Friday, mark it down, we are announcing the winners of the giveaway for hitting our 60K subscriber goal. Guys, I am so excited. And also, we will be making another giveaway video, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly the best. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And guys, we are so low on our percentage of people that watch and are not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button. Make it happen for us. We're going to set another goal, and I know that you guys can do it. I hope you guys have a happy Thursday. And until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.